Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So on today's show, I'm going to teach you how to defog your windows in 4 simple steps. I've been detailing cars for over 20 years, and on my channel you'll find lots of tips and tricks on car detailing. And today we're going to demystify the scientific way, the quick and simple solution to defog your windows. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome back to all my regular viewers, and for all of you for whom it's the first time that you watch one of my videos, well, if you want to learn more tips, tricks, and DIYs about car detailing, you found the right channel. So make sure you click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So today I'm going to give you the 4 easy steps to defog your windows super quickly, because as we all know, especially during the cold winter months, well, the cold outside air comes in contact with the hotter air from inside your vehicle, and that creates condensation, i.e. fog. So what are the ways to remove that super efficiently? You've all heard grandma's tales on do this, do that, nothing ever works. Well, there's science behind that, and today I'm going to share my tips and tricks with you. All right, so step number 1, turn your heat on to full blast because hot air can hold more moisture. Step number 2, turn on your AC, as that also helps further remove moisture. Step number 3, turn off air recirculation. So you want to draw the colder outside air into the vehicle, as the colder winter air doesn't hold as much moisture, and if you pull that fresher air in, it will help absorb even more moisture from inside the vehicle. So final step number 4, crack open as many windows as possible, as that will help exchange the more humid air from inside your vehicle with the drier outside air. So now that you guys know the easiest way to defog your windows, we're going to bring it up a notch, and I have an optional step, and that's to apply an anti-fog to your windshield, and that's going to help prevent any fogging from happening. So there's a couple of products that you'll need. It's super simple. By the way, I'll drop the links to all the products that we talked about in the description down below for you guys to check them out. All right, so before we apply the anti-fog, we're going to make sure that we clean and prep the glass properly. So first of all, we're going to clean the glass with a high quality glass cleaner, something like the Geon Q2M glass. Now this is an ammonia-free premium glass cleaner. We're gonna combine this with a waffle weave microfiber towel. So I like waffle weave microfiber towels to clean glass. So once the glass is clean, we're gonna prep it and degrease it with an isopropyl alcohol mix, like the Geon Q2M Prep. Now, essentially, this is a mixture of rubbing alcohol, and this will help degrease the windshield and prepare it for the anti-fog. And finally, of course, there's the Geon Q2 Anti-Fog. So it's a spray that you apply on your inside glass, and this prevents the windows from fogging up. So it's super simple. Essentially, you spray the anti-fog onto the supplied micro-suede applicator. You add a couple of spritz directly onto the applicator, and you make a couple of movements, so up and down, left and right, so in a cross-hatch pattern. You let it dry for 2 to 5 minutes on the glass, and then you buff off using a new dry microfiber towel. Once again, I like to use waffle weave microfiber towels. That's an optional step. There are other cool anti-fog products, and again, I'll make sure I'll drop the links in the description down below for you guys to check them out. So now you'll have fog-free windows. If you like this video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Also, if you want to continue to learn tips, tricks, and techniques about car detailing, well, make sure you click the subscribe button that's found under this video. That way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, once again, thanks for being there, thanks for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.